In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Shopify payments. It's a fantastic way to start accepting payments on Shopify, and I'll guide you through each step to make the process as smooth as possible. First things first, navigate to Shopify's homepage. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a variety of options, but what we're looking for right now is the login button. Once you click on that, you're one step closer to enabling payments for your store. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your Shopify store. Double check to ensure you've entered it correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, you'll move on to the next crucial step, entering your password. Type in your password carefully and hit login once again. After successfully logging into your account, you're greeted by the Shopify admin dashboard. Here's where you can manage all the aspects of your Shopify store. However, our focus is on payments, so you'll need to navigate to the settings, which is typically located at the bottom left of your dashboard. In settings, you'll see several options to choose from, but let's click on payments. This is where you'll manage how you get paid and set up your desired payment methods. Once in the payments section, you might see various payment providers. To add a new payment provider, click on Choose a Provider. Here, Shopify will list all the available payment options. Take your time to go through these options and select the one that best fits your business needs. For many, Shopify Payments is a go-to choice because it's seamlessly integrated. After selecting your provider, you'll usually find an Install or Activate button. Click on this to proceed. Now, some providers have a 0% transaction fee through Shopify, which is incredibly beneficial. Make sure to look out for these options to optimize your profitability. Scrolling further, you might notice options like PayPal Express, Checkout. Highlight this or any other relevant options that you'd prefer for your store. Each of these selections tailors the checkout experience for your customers, so choose wisely. Interestingly, Shopify also supports manual payment methods. Click on Manual Payment Method and then on Create Custom Payment Method if you wish to add a personalized option. This could be anything from direct bank transfers to specific local payment methods not covered by Shopify's default providers. After setting up custom payment methods, don't forget to explore other traditional manual methods Shopify offers, like bank deposit. Just click on Bank Deposit, add the details needed for this method, and it's ready for your customers to use. Similarly, add other manual methods listed such as money order and cash on delivery, COD. Each method will require you to click on it, add necessary details describing how customers can pay using this method, and save. Towards finalizing your setup, you'll often return to the manual payment method option to add each one individually. This is crucial because it ensures that all your chosen payment methods are properly configured and displayed as options to your customers during checkout. Lastly, cash on delivery, COD, is notably used in many regions globally. It allows customers to pay for their orders upon delivery, which can significantly increase trust and conversion rates. By clicking on Cash on Delivery, inputting all relevant information and enabling it, you offer another layer of flexibility for your customers. Every step we've covered is crucial in setting up a comprehensive payment system for your Shopify store. Remember, the more payment options you provide, the higher the convenience for your customers, which can lead to better sales and customer satisfaction. Through this tutorial, my goal was to walk you through each step needed to enable Shopify payments, from logging into your account to adding diverse payment methods. Remember, each step is an investment in creating a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Take the time to review each payment option you enable and ensure it aligns with your business model and customer preferences. Thank you for watching. By following these instructions, you're now equipped to accept payments on Shopify and propel your online store to new heights. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to enhance your Shopify experience.